Today we talk about 10 most unique natural phenomena caught on camera. Get your cameras ready because we're bringing you incredible pics such as the jaw-dropping lightning storm from Venezuela and the shocking blue volcano from Indonesia, amongst others. Things get especially gruesome around the top 3 mark, so be sure to stick around for that part. So, let's start off with our number 10. The bioluminescent shore, Maldives. Many of the pics we have prepared for you today are jarring and beautiful. But if you're looking to finally get a picture that doubles the amount of likes you're getting on Instagram, we strongly recommend visiting the bioluminescent shore from the Maldives, simply because of how out of this world it appears to be. This is a natural phenomenon that is caused by the phytoplankton that rests at the bottom of the Maldives shore, and as the full moon takes a hold of the night sky, you can see all of the shore light up, making this amongst the prettiest sights in the world for sure. While not very long lasting, it is definitely worth the trip if you want to see a one-of-a-kind phenomenon. Number 9. Sakurajima Dirty Thunderstorms, Japan. While we usually wouldn't put something that is literally known as dirty thunderstorms on a list of this kind, especially following the bioluminescent shore from the Maldives, we can't even imagine having a video like this and not mentioning the thunderstorms from Japan. The only real problem with this site is that you can't actually get close to it yourself, since the eruptions can cause rain fires of ash to be spread all around the place, which will undoubtedly not be very pleasant to say the least. Still, this has got to be one of the most unique natural phenomena of all time simply because of how out of the ordinary it looks. Number 8. The lightning storm, Venezuela. Let's be honest here, for as beautiful as storms can be, they can also be quite dangerous, which is why we would usually stray away from mentioning them in a positive manner. But we simply cannot say that the lightning storm from Venezuela isn't one of the most incredible looking spectacles of all time. These thunderstorms happen quite a lot in Venezuela, but by far the most impressive one that has ever been reported on happened on the 9th of July, 1999, when a thunderstorm lasted for literal hours and hours to no end. This was as beautiful as it was scary, and although we love to witness it from a distance, even we'd have to say that this would be terrifying to see from up close. Number 7. The Meraki boulders, New Zealand. Looking at these boulders from afar can make them seem insignificant in comparison to our other picks from this list, but the closer you get to them, the easier it is to understand what really makes them deserve their place on here. They literally have whole ecosystems living on their surface. They are mini planets for bacteria, unlike any other boulders on this planet, and they are about as beautiful as you can imagine because of how much is actually going on over there. Number 6. Lake Hillier, Australia. Lakes are already beautiful spectacles to behold, but Lake Hillier from Australia is on a whole different level because of its extremely vibrant pink color. This may seem like someone dumped a couple of tons of pink hair dye, but it's all natural, we can promise you that, as this was all caused by the microalgae Dunaliella salina from the lake, which in turn causes the pink color to emerge. This also makes this quite a safe location to go to, which is why we recommend visiting Lake Hillier if you're looking to get more views on your Instagram posts. Swimming in it would also be completely harmless, but you can't really do that because sadly, as the officials don't allow anyone to do it in order to preserve the site's beauty. Number 5. The River of 5 Colors, Colombia. Just look at how beautiful this site really is. It's by far one of the most shocking rivers out there, and despite the fact that it looks like an artsy student's first attempt at blending colors on a whiteboard, it's entirely natural. Similar to Lake Hillier, its colors are caused by the colored algae, rocks, and sand that rests at the bottom of the river. What's even more impressive about this site is its waterfalls and hidden caverns which look like something taken out of a Disney movie. Which Disney movie would fit this site the most? Let us know in the comments below. Number 4. The Marble Caves, Chile. This is the result of well over 6,000 years of waves of water crashing into the calcium carbonate that rests on these walls. This phenomenon led to the creation of the Marble Caves, which are literally so beautiful that you could confuse them for something out of a Vincent van Gogh's painting. The strange patterns that can be observed here also add to the beauty of it all, making it the only one of its kind in the whole world. Would you dare to swim through these enclosed cave systems to get to the Marble Caves? Smash that like button if you would dare to do it. Number 3. The Blue Volcano, Indonesia. Also known as the Kawah Ijen volcano, it is a beautiful natural phenomenon which is caused by the massive quantities of sulfuric acid from the site. This results in an incredible display of blue and purple which looks less like something that would come out of a volcano and more like something out of an artist's deepest, darkest thoughts. Since it is a volcano, however, we can't recommend actually visiting the site, although there are plenty of pictures showcasing the beauty in this place all over the internet if you're that intrigued by it. Number 2. Lake Natron, Tanzania. Before you take a deep dive into this incredibly beautiful lake, we would like to mention the fact that the temperatures of this place reach peaks of up to 40 degrees Celsius or 104 Fahrenheit, so you might want to make sure that you're coming prepared. And even with that, we would still recommend against actually diving in it because of its phosphor levels of up to 12, which will result in a pretty life-threatening situation to say the least. Even so, we will still recommend checking it out from a distance, especially since the site is packed full of flamingos that just love dipping into the water here. Number 1. The Danzai Landform, China. Also known as the Rainbow Mountains, this is by far one of our favorite sites on this planet because of how much it truly stands out from the crowd. While most of our other picks can only be observed at certain time periods and whatnot, this isn't the case for the Rainbow Mountains, which can literally be seen at any point in time. They were created from the Cretaceous sandstones and siltstones that were originally deposited in China, and as they merged together over a long period of time, they soon changed into this incredible color palette which is unlike anything else in the world. We're talking about every color from the known spectrum, showcased right here on the ground. Plus, you can also take a picture if you want to here, which is always a plus. Wow, wasn't that river of 5 colors amazing? We'd love to hear all your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, be sure to click on the recommended videos on the left and right side of the screen if you want to binge through more of our videos. See ya!